Happy birthday, Kate!
Happy birthday, Kate! There she is. Ganun, there she is.
Kita ba?
Dito na lang tayo.
August ka pala.
Hindi sila kita sa likod.
Say hi. Say present. Present.
Present.
Present.
Present. Present. Ilapit mo
Present.
And
Present.
the birthday girl present. Meron pa isang present dun, oh. Nawala si Katrina. Tuloy na ang kwento. May tumatawag.
This is our vlog for Kate's birthday!
Yay!
Si Julian, busy, hindi kita yung mukha.
Marami nagme-message.
Ryan, message for Ate Kate.
Ayan, ba't kayo mo?
Birthday.
Sean, happy birthday, Ate Kate.
Dito naman muna, no?
Happy birthday!
Si Katrina yan. Hi Kate, happy 22nd birthday and congratulations for becoming the finance director of the UBE Board of Directors.
Kinasandal na tayo for sure.
Sure na ba yun?
Yo!
sige.
Message!
Kinashantel na daw.
No, message for Kate. Birthday message.
Yes. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi?
Says what?
No. Happy birthday, ate. I wish you the best. Ay, wait namin daw sa ako.
Ay, tapos na. Ikaw naman wala ka pa message
Kate!
ka.
Nandito sa loob ng car na
Happy
ni Ate Chini.
birthday!
Ano pa, yun lang. Diyos ko,
All the
kuripot ha.
best!
Yes.
The best is the best.
Nagbibilag
Yes.
kami.
And it's
God
okay. Sign off na. Bye!
Later!
Bye! Bye! Say bye!
Nagbibilag pa kasi.
Ba, Chantal, ba't hindi kayo nagbababay? Ryan, hindi ka nagbababay.
Kay Kate mo
Bye!
i-focus yung...
Bye!
Okay.